My name is Dave Rankin, owner of Rankin Equipment and North Star Attachments. We started making the Twinstar basket rake in the year 2000. We had previously lost a basket rake supplier that was manufactured on the East Coast. In June of 1999, we purchased a small manufacturing firm called L&W Sales and Manufacturing. We decided we wanted to build the premier rake on the market. Our outside sales team spent quite a bit of time interviewing dealers and getting feedback from our dealers' customers on what improvements they wanted to have in a basket rake, which led us to designing and developing the Twinstar.
I'm Andy Rossback from Rossback Farms, fourth generation farmer from Ellensburg, Washington. We've been running Twinstars since about 2010. We work pretty closely with Anthony and Jason. That's one of my favorite things about Twinstar is having that relationship and being able to communicate with them. We just want to get in the rake and go and have it work like it's supposed to and do the job it does and not break ever. That's a perfect world, and they're pretty intuitive about coming up with things to make that happen.
Rankin Equipment is proud to introduce the 2030 G5-7 bar rake. We've upgraded to a rocker switch control box with a lighted on and off switch for your baskets, so that way you know when you have power. You don't have long pegs sticking out, bat switches, so there's no side pressure of breaking out your switches. It's just a simple push of a button. We've increased the spacing in between your teeth and your stripper bars, to allow more clearance for when it's coming down. It doesn't hit the stripper bar itself, because that's the worst cause of bit teeth. 9 1/4 wide steel solid wheels on a flex axle to help with following the ground. We've extended the basket frame. It's actually raised 2 inches taller. We've taken the gusset on our slide tube insert here, and we actually go all the way down to the bottom. We have moved the transport lights to the rear of the rake, so that way it's more accessible and seen by people behind you. As far as the hydraulics go, all your motor circuit, all the oil will go through the front block. We've integrated some cooling tubes in the system and going out of the system, so it helps keep the oil temperatures down. We went to a 6-function max stack control valve, just a bulletproof valve that we've used for years. The Twinstar has changed tremendously over the past 20 years that I've been working for the company. Over time, we've kind of made some adjustments to make the rake last longer, as well as, be usable for people in the secondhand market.
With Rankin, there's really no question. The small amount of breakdowns that we've had kind of make it a no-brainer to stick with Twinstar. We're not even really looking anywhere else because they take pretty good care of us.